Want to start an online business but have no experience? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to launch your first digital business in 2025. Preview for the journey ahead. The first step is choosing a niche that people are willing to pay for, such as freelance services, digital products, or e-commerce. Start small and simple. Popular beginner models include freelancing, selling digital downloads, or starting a dropshipping store. Create a professional online presence through a website, social media, and platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to reach clients. Don't wait for people to find you. Reach out. Use freelancing platforms, social media outreach, and even free trials to get your first client or sale. Once you start earning, reinvest in tools and automation to grow your business. Use AI tools, scheduling apps, and better websites to scale. Starting an online business in 2025 is easier than ever. If you want more tutorials on freelance digital marketing and online income, subscribe to DigiLive today.